First we want to take off our dust cap here. And this one is pretty rusty. I give it a little oil. These dust caps will strip easy. That makes it a little more robust than your normal. So what we're going to do is we're going to lube these up and then just remove them with their standard socket set. Once we do that, we're going to thread in our crank remover. Once you get the bolt out, make sure this is threaded correctly, and you actually will spin this on. Just pull it off. It's called the crank puller. Okay, so I did get those off. I had to use a pipe extender on there to actually turn them. They were really on there tight. We'll clean those up. And now we want to service the bottom bracket. You can see this thing was really put on too tight, it feels like. I mean, it doesn't spin. I'm not sure who did this, but if it was set up that way, but it needs to come off. So on these old ones, you need to unlock them. This is a lock ring, and put this tool in like this. It's a universal tool. We're going to crank it down. I'm going to put the camera down because I don't want to mess up this lock ring, and so far everything on here has been really tight. So to get them off, you turn it counterclockwise, lefty, and then once you do that, you want to use this tool like this to actually spin the cup out, turn it out, and we'll just unthread that, pull everything out, and redo our bearings, grease them up, put everything back together. This is really crusty. Take your time. Strip this specialized bottom bracket. Alright, so lock ring, spinner tool. Had this thing a long time. I hope it still works. It's getting kind of old. Oh yeah, right off. Spin that all around. Cut things out. This thing is so dry. Load. I did get everything apart. Looks like it is a nice specialized triple 48, 44, 26. Got the bottom bracket cups out. There's no way, as I said earlier, I would never reuse anything like this. This one especially is in bad shape. So what we're going to do is put new loose balls in, 11 per side. We'll load this one up first with our grease and the balls and get the spindle ready. And then I've put the bike up in the stand, and we'll grease up the bottom. Drop the balls down in there, put your finger or something in there, drop them in and rearrange them in the grease, and then we'll slip the spindle in. There's the one cup preloaded. wanted to show the other one. What I did was I pushed them up through the bottom and used a screwdriver as I came in to position them in place. But it's very important before you put it back together that you actually put your finger in there and make sure they're all correctly pushed in next to each other. Otherwise, one of them will come out or push up and you'll have too much play. We'll put this back together.